Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Okay student, today is our lecture number 4 that is based on topic Who has seen the wind chapter number 19. Open your book, go to page number 130. Go to page number 130. Today we will learn about future going to, okay? So sentence with going to connects the future and the present. Okay, like I am recording a lecture right now, so I haven't completed, I will complete it in the future. So present and future are connected. Okay, so sentences with going to connect the future and the present. Going to is used to tell what we intend to do in the near future. Example, I am going to read Oliver Twist today. Okay? They are going to meet their cousin next week. Okay? So, I am going to read Oliver Twist today. He haven't read it, this novel. He is saying that I will read it, the Oliver Twist, by today. Okay? He is sure that he will complete it by today, but he haven't completed yet. So the next example, they are going to meet their cousin next week. They haven't met him, so they are saying that they will meet him in the next week. Okay. So here is exercise A on your book page number 130. What is going to happen in the picture? Here is a picture given in which one sister, one brother, and Baba and Papa and Mama is sitting and they are eating something. Okay, they are having their meal. So you have to tell that what is happening in this picture. Okay, what is going to or happening in the picture. So if we look at Papa is going to put the juice in the glass. If we look at Mama is going to serve the food. If we look at sister is going to eat burger. Okay, sister is going to eat burger. And if we look at brother is going to bring the juice. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to write the happening in your notebook. You have to prepare your notebook, put date, day, classwork over there, draw proper margin line. And after drawing proper margin line, you have to write these 4 lines. Number 1, Papa is going to put the juice in the glass. Number 2, Mama is going to serve the food. Number 3, sister is going to eat burger. And number 4, brother is going to drink the juice. Okay? So moving to the next exercise on the same page, page number 130. Replace will and shall with going to in the sentences. Here 10 sentences are given. So what you have to do, you have to replace will and shall with going to. Okay? Number 1 sentence is they will paint the wall. The converted sentence will be they are going to paint the wall. She will consider my application. She is going to consider my application. Smina will drink Pepsi. Samina is going to drink Pepsi. I shall buy a new sweater. I am going to buy a new sweater. Ramin will bring a strawberry cake in the party. Ramin is going to bring a strawberry cake in the party. How will you open the box? How you are going to open the box? They will leave for Rawalpindi tomorrow. They are going to leave for Rawalpindi tomorrow. Our house will be whitewashed next week. Our house is going to whitewash next week. My father will buy me a bicycle for my birthday. My father is going to buy me a bicycle for my birthday. Will Tanzila and Zanera play with us tomorrow? Are Tanzila and Zanera going to play with us tomorrow? Okay, student, this is your exercise B that you have to solve in your notebook. You have to prepare your notebook page, put date, day, classwork at the top of the line, in the middle of the top line, and then draw margin. After drawing margin, you have to write topic, who has seen the wind, chapter number 19. And then you have to write activity, language structure, okay? Then you have to write the question. B. Replace will and shall with going to in the sentences. And then you have to write all these sentences on your notebook neatly and nicely, okay? Okay, student, moving to the next exercise that is on page number 131, the next page. Here is exercise C. It says rewrite the following sentences replacing going to with will. Okay? So sentences are given over here. You have to convert them with will. Okay? Number 1, Seema is going to join French classes soon. The converted sentence will be Seema will join French classes soon. Saad is going to spend more time with his family. Saad will spend more time with his family. Number 3, they are going to watch music concert tonight. They will watch music concert tonight. Are they going to open the box with a knife? Will they open the box with a knife? Shamma is going to help her friend. Shamma will help her friend. The two businessmen are going to sign a business contract tomorrow. The two businessmen will sign a business contract tomorrow. Sparko is going to launch a new satellite the next week. Sparko will launch a new satellite the next week. Rida is going to meet her friend next week. Rida will meet her friend next week. Nargis is going to display her painting in the art gallery. Nargis will display her painting in the art gallery. The two brothers are going to attend a meeting at night. The two brothers will attend a meeting at night. Okay, student, this exercise you also have to do on your notebook. Okay? Have you understood it? That's great. Okay, student, take care. Allah Hafiz.